What's good, guys? Tay here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to do something a little bit differently. Um, Now, I have in the past created a couple videos on email marketing. That's what I want to focus on today. Um, One of them was on email automation. Another one was on making high converting landing pages. Okay, and what I wanted to do in today's video is I wanted to create a video that was more focused along like the best practices for email marketing, uh, things that you can do to help increase your conversions so that you can actually make sales and actually earn some income online, guys. Okay, so with that being said, if you're interested in this type of content, guys, please do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, guys, I would really appreciate it. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into my computer so I can get started and we can talk more about some of the best practices for email marketing in 2020. All right, guys, so here are my best practices for email marketing in 2020. All right. So the first thing that you want to focus on is making your email subscription accessible. Now, what do I mean by this? Okay. You need people to subscribe, okay? You need to build your list. And in order to do that, people need some way to subscribe to your email list, okay? So make sure you have a landing page set up to collect these emails, all right? Now, again, I just said a few minutes ago, I have a separate video. I'm not going to go into it with this particular video, but I have a separate video that shows you how to make a high converting landing page so you can collect them emails so that you can get to this point that I'm talking about. So if you want, I'll leave a link so that you can go ahead and click on that video and you can check that one out. If you're having issues creating landing pages to collect emails, you can check that out first, and then you can go ahead and come back to this one. So continuing, you see, you have to make your email subscription accessible. So you want to have a link to a landing page on YouTube, okay? Website, social media. Now, the one thing that I do see with social media is I just see people posting affiliate links and they just spam it, and it's not gonna work. Don't even do that, okay? If you're going to leave links in your profile bio, okay? Or guide people to a useful piece of content, okay? Like build a rapport with the people that you're trying to get to buy from you first before you, instead of just sitting there throwing links in them and stuff like that, because it's a waste of time. Don't waste yourself. Don't waste your time doing that in 2020 because you're not going to get anywhere. Okay. If you don't believe me, go check out Twitter. You'll see plenty of people throwing links everywhere, and you'll just see like the same post like 150,000 times, and they may get one like or one retweet, but no responses. Nobody's clicking on them links. Okay. Like I said, if you're going to leave links, do it in your profile. You know, Instagram has a profile section dedicated to where you can leave a link. Twitter does. Facebook does. They all do. Put a link there for your landing page. Okay. Make sure you get that free piece of content, that useful piece of content. Okay. That they can get in exchange for the email. All right. And collect your emails that way. Don't spam affiliate links. That stuff don't even waste your time. All right. So again, make your email subscription accessible. All right. Next one is to split test. All right. Now again, I have a separate video for that, but now I use Get Response. All right. And with Get Response, you have tabs set up so that you can have your landing page made one way and your landing page made a different way. Okay, it's the best way to test to see which one works better. All right, and I would suggest you do the same thing. Your landing page may not catch the attention of everybody. Okay. In fact, it's not. Some people are just gonna see it and they're just gonna bounce. Okay. So change a few things, change some colors, change some fonts, change some of the wording. Okay. And see which one works, see which one works better, and then you can push that one if you're getting better results with that one. So just make sure you split test your landing pages, and not try to stick with one. All right, always look at your analytics and your stats and stuff like that, because that'll help you determine what's working and what's not working. Okay. This is something that I am not seeing anymore. Okay, I used to see this a lot, but I'm not seeing it anymore, and that's having a proper welcome email. Okay, what I'm seeing, and you'll see this too. If you're subscribing to people's email list, you'll see this. You'll subscribe and it'll instantly just start throwing affiliate links at you. Now, don't do that. Have a proper welcome email. Hey, my name is Tay Wilkins. Thanks for subscribing. Okay, this is the type of content that you can expect from me throughout, and however often that you post, you plan on posting email content. Let them know what they're getting into. Don't just start throwing affiliate links at them and stuff like that. Okay. If you are going to throw links, make sure maybe it's a link to, if they subscribe for a free ebook, like, hey, my name is Tay Wilkins. Welcome to subscribing. Here is the link for your ebook. Okay, and then you can go ahead and let them know what they can expect from you and what you have to offer. Okay, but that's it. Don't start throwing links at them. Give a proper welcome email. Create a proper welcome email. Okay, and keep that trust up. Give people a reason to actually open your emails and not just like throw it in the spam folder or ignore it and not open it at all. Okay. It's like what they say with people in out in the real world. First impressions are everything. Okay. So make your first impression, your welcome email, worth it. Okay. Give people a reason to open the email instead of just throwing affiliate links at them. Okay. So the next one, and this is a big one, provide value. All right. Another mistake that I'm seeing people make, just like I just said, they're just throwing affiliate links. They're promoting every email. They're promoting. Don't do that. Okay. You'll see like the top players doing that. Okay, they're just promoting, but they have like large email lists of hundreds of thousands. So it's a numbers game for them. If they can get X amount of people to open or X amount of people to convert, they're A-okay. But for you, especially if you're just starting out, keep a close relationship, I should say rather, with these people so that they'll actually buy from you. All right. So what I mean by provide value is whatever I'm promoting, all right, I'll give them tips that will help with whatever I'm promoting. So like, let's say for example, I'm promoting GetResponse, the autoresponder. Okay. My first 2 days will be tips like this video, teaching you how to create meaningful emails or how to set up a proper automation, just something that they can learn from. Okay. And that's what the first 2 days will be. And then on the third day, I'll go ahead and I'll promote GetResponse. Okay. And then what I'll do on day 4, I give more useful content. Okay. Something that they can actually use and apply. Okay. And then on day 5, I'll promote again. Okay. So I'm not promoting every single day. Some of those days I'm giving value. I'm providing content and useful information that they can use and apply. And then some of those days I'm promoting. Okay. You can shake this up however you want. 1 day value, 1 day promote, 2 day, or do it the same way I do it, 2-in-1. It's up to you. Just make sure you're not promoting every single day. Make sure that you're throwing some useful content, some value in there for them. Okay, and furthermore, it doesn't necessarily have to be in the email itself. Okay, like you could guide them to a website, a blog, okay, that gives them the useful information, or you can guide them to a YouTube video. Just as long as wherever they go, they're getting value instead of being sold to. Okay, so I mean, you have plenty of options with this one. Just try not to uh, do the whole promotion thing every day because, especially starting out, you're not going to see a lot of results with it. You know, people are just going to start ignoring your emails, and you're going to start seeing more and more unreads, and then you're going to have to create um, more email series or automations to try to retarget those people that didn't open the emails. Okay, and you may be able to avoid that if you just give them something valuable first before you actually promote to them. Okay, so that's what I got with that one. And the next one is avoid the spam filters or the promotion tab. Okay. Now, just like what I said earlier, all right, you don't want to be promoting all the time. And furthermore, you don't want to have 1,000 links in your email. Okay. Having a bunch of links, especially in Google. Google has no problem throwing you in the promotion tab. If you're in the promotion tab, you can forget it. Most people don't even look at that stuff. Okay. You want to get in people's inbox. All right. So reduce your links. And something else that you can do and that I do is I ask people to whitelist me. All right. So that I don't get put in the spam folder. And maybe I can avoid the promotions tab. So just be careful. You may be able to get away with like 2 links in your email before they put you in the promotion tab. All right. And putting like 4 or 5 links is going to put you in spam. You don't want to do that. I would experiment. Okay. See how far you can go with links. But I wouldn't put too many in there. Okay. 2 at max. Maybe 1 at the beginning and maybe 1 at the end. Okay. But you don't want to be throwing a whole bunch of links or spamming emails with all these links and stuff like that. You want people to see your email and you want them to open it. And you want to respect people's time, okay? Like I said, just like I said a few minutes ago, give them value. Give them a reason to want to click on the link or to trust your recommendations, okay? Just don't throw stuff at them. You see people doing this. I mean, just check out some of the emails to some of the things that you subscribe to. You've got the guys who throw who spam promotions every day, and I'm pretty sure most of you ignore them. Okay, you don't really open them. And you've got some that just have links throughout the whole email. Just avoid that stuff. Okay, you'll get much better results with this. All right. Next thing you want to do is categorize your list. All right. As you're growing your list, okay, you need to really separate your subscribers. Okay. The people who actually opted in to click on the link, you need to have those people tagged. And then if you're selling another product or if you're promoting another product in your emails, if you're promoting multiple products, you want to have tags for people, for all the people who click on the link for those products. So if product A is get response and people opt in for that, then you want to put those people in a separate tag. And then let's say you're selling another affiliate marketing program. Well, you want to have those people tagged that they opted into that. All right. Then you also want to categorize people by the ones who actually open your emails and the ones who don't. And then for the ones who don't, you want to set up an automation to try to retarget those people and Usually you can send the same email. Usually what it is your headline. Okay. Sometimes your headline just doesn't catch their attention. So doing something simple as changing the headline can get the people who don't open your emails to open your emails. All right. And of course, depending on what people are clicking on or opting into and stuff like that, you can further promote other relevant products to them or give them relevant content for that product and so on and so forth. Okay. But you definitely want to make sure you categorize and tag your subscribers based on the actions that they are taking. That's important because you don't want to keep sending emails to people that just aren't responding to the stuff that you're promoting or or content that you're giving them if that's not what they want. Okay. So with this next one, this is super important. And basically with anything you do online. And that's analyze and optimize your campaigns. All right? Analyze. Check out your stats. All right? When are people opening your emails and what time? You know, just, these little things help because then you'll know when to actually put your emails or schedule and put your emails out. All right? Which ones are they opening? Which ones are they not opening? Okay. You know, what links are they actually clicking on? What are, all these things matter because again, these stats will tell you everything that you need to know so that you can make the necessary adjustments and actually increase your conversions. All right. So it's very important that you look at your stats. So that's it. That's all I got for today, guys. These are my best email practices for 2020. All right. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share this out with anybody else who you think may find this useful. Again, I'll have links and you should see them up on the screen. And I have them down below for my other videos that show you how to do automation and how to create high converting landing pages. You'll get the playlist to that stuff as well. So that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.